When plumbing problems hit your home in Lakewood, you need a team that shows up with energy, skill, and total commitment. That's exactly what Belmar Lake Plumbing brings to every job. Whether it's a dripping faucet, a stubborn clog, a leaking pipe, or a full system repair, we don't just fix the problem. We restore your peace of mind and protect your home. We know how frustrating plumbing issues can be. Water damage, costly repairs, interruptions to your daily life. It's stressful, but with Belmar Lake Plumbing, you can breathe easy, knowing you have a local team who acts fast, works clean, and gets the job done right the first time. We use the latest tools, proven techniques, and years of experience to tackle every challenge, big or small. Our passion is Lakewood. We're proud to serve our neighbors with reliable, professional plumbing service that keeps homes safe, comfortable, and flowing smoothly. When you see our crew in action, you're witnessing dedication in motion, fast diagnosis, expert repairs, and clear communication every step of the way. Don't let a minor leak turn into a major headache. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing today and experience the difference a high-energy, expert plumbing team can make in your home. Your comfort is our mission, and we're ready to prove it right here in Lakewood.